Hi students, how are you? I hope all are fine. Grade 9 Science Chapter 17 Animal Kingdom. In this lesson, we are going to learn variety of living organisms and their classifications. Let's see. Animal Kingdom. Nearly 1.5 million species of organism surrounding us. Every organism has exhibits variation in their external appearance, internal structure and behavior and mode of life living also. The study of various organisms would be difficult without a suitable method of classifications. So on the basis of similarities and differences, organisms arranged into groups. So that is classifications. The science of classification is called taxonomy. Okay, it helps to understand the relationship among the different group of animals. So the classification of living organism was made by Carolus Linnaeus. Okay, next classification of living organism. There are 5 kingdom classifications. One is Monera and Procista, fungi, plantae and animalia. Okay, so next one is species, lowest taxonomy of category. First, the lowest taxonomy category is species. Next higher category is genus. Okay, the groups of species form a genus. Next family, the group of genus are form a family, and order, related families form a order. For example, monkey, maps, man, different families placed in one order. Next one, class, similar orders together to form a class. Rabbit, rat, bats, whales, human. Uh, uh, so some common features presence in the skin and mammalic gland. So the place is the class of Mammalia. Okay. Next, phylum. The classes are related with the one phylum. Okay. Mammals, birds, reptile, frog, fishes have a notochord. So are backbone. So these are all in one phylum. Okay. Next one is kingdom, the highest category. So the lowest category is species, highest category is kingdom. The highest category is same fundamental characters in all organism grouped under that kingdom. So first one is kingdom, next one is phylum, next class, next order, then family, then genus and species. So the taxonomy category is first highest category is kingdom, lowest category is species. Okay. Next topic is basis of classification. We can divide the animal kingdom based on the level of organizations like body symmetry and germ layers and nature of coelom. Okay. First one is level of organizations. The animals are grouped as unicellular or multicellular based on the cell, tissue, organ and organ systems. Okay, the next one is symmetrical. Symmetrical means two type of symmetricals are there. One is radial symmetry, bilateral symmetry. Radial ஆர சமச்சீர்னு சொல்லக்கூடியது. Okay, the parts are arranged around the central axis. If the animal is cut, it can be divided into two similar halves. Okay, similar halves into the similar halves, many similar halves. Example, hydra and starfish. See the கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருங்க. பைலேட்ரல் சிமெட்ரி எப்படி இருக்கும், ரேடியல் சிமெட்ரி எப்படி. ஹைட்ரா வந்து ஆரச்சமச்சீரில் வெட்டினோம்னா எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா நிறைய ஹாஃப் செல்ஸ் ஒரு சிமிலர் ஹாஃப்ஸ் வந்து நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். Next one is bilateral. Bilateral symmetry, if the animal is cut through the central axis, we get into two identical halves. Example, frog, tortoise, like that. Okay. Basic classification la first one is symmetrical pathon. Next one is gem layer. Gem layer were formed during the development of an embryo. Okay, the two gem layers are called diploplastic. Example, ectoderm and endoderm, two types of layers around the cell wall. Next example வந்து hydra சொல்லலாம். There are three gem layers means ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. So triploplastic, example rabbit, example for the triploplastic gem layers. Okay, next on the coelom. Coelom na enna, fluid filled body cavity. It is fluid filled body cavity. There are three groups of பிரிச்சிருக்காங்க. It is located in the mesoderm. The fluids are located in the mesoderm. So they are divided into three groups. Coeloms are based on the coelom. They divided into three groups: acoelomates and pseudocoelomates and coelomates. So acoelomates means do not the body cavity and the body cavity வந்து இருக்காது. So example tapeworm. Next pseudocoelomates means false body cavity, example roundworm. Next coelomates means true coelom இருக்கும். அதில் வந்து example என்ன சொல்லலாம் அப்படின்னா earthworm, frog வந்து example for the coelomates. So the based on classifications, the symmetrical structure வச்சு பேஸ் பண்ணலாம். Sem layers and coeloms வச்சு the animals are என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, animal kingdomல classification பண்ணுறாங்க. Next one is animal kingdom. So animal kingdom எடுத்துட்டோம்னா they are divided into two types, invertebrates and vertebrates. Okay, the next binomial nomenclature. So this method is introduced was Carolus Linnaeus. Animals with two names as binomial nomenclature. So that is binomial nomenclature. First name called genus. The first letter is denoted in capital. Second one is species, denoted in small letter. Some names are given in your book. You have to read this one. Okay. So the binomial nomenclature means two. First one is genus. It is in capital letter. First letter should be in capital letter. And second one is species. Okay. Next one is invertebrate. Invertebrate family la phylum பார்க்க போறோம். நிறைய types கொடுத்திருக்காங்க phylums. Let's see. So invertebrate la phylum பார்க்கும்போது first வந்து Porifera. எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து சைக்கான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ இது வந்து மல்டி செல்லர் ஆர்கானிசம். ஸோ செல்லர் ஆர்கானிசம் எடுத்தால் யூனிசெல்லர், மல்டி செல்லர். ஸோ இன்வெர்டிபிரேட்டில் பைலம், ஃபோரிஃபெரா மல்டி செல்லர் ஆர்கானிசம். அக்வாட்டிக் அனிமல் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஸ்பாஞ்சஸ் எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்கிறோம். ரீப்ரொடக்ஷன் பை போத் ஏசெக்சுவல் அண்ட் செக்சுவல் மெத்தட்ஸ் எக்ஸாம்பிள் சைக்கான். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் பைலம் காலண்டரேட்டா. ஸோ இட் இஸ் Cnidaria type. Aquatic animals. So it is in marine and freshwater animals also. This also multicell layers and radial symmetrical. Radial symmetrical animal முதல்ல நான் பார்த்துருக்கேன், ஆரச்சமச்சீர். Diplostocea means the body cell wall with two layers. Okay. So next one is example for this Phylum Coelenterata, Hydra and jellyfish. Next one pylum Asclepianthus. So example roundworm. This also bilateral symmetrical triploblastic animal. Triploblastic means the body wall with three layers. Bilateral means if you cut with the central axis, you can get the similar two halves. Okay. And pseudocoelom. Pseudocoelom means false coelomic, false coelomic, false body cavity இருக்கும். So example Ascaris and Wucheria. Okay. Next one is Phylum Platyhelminthes. Example flatworm, bilateral symmetry and triploplastic and acoelomate. Acoelomate na without body cavity. Okay. Example tapeworm. Next one Phylum Annelida, segmented worm example for this one. This also bilateral symmetrical. Again bilateral symmetrical means if you cut into center of the axis, you will get the two similar halves. Okay. Next triploplastic type. Triploplastic means the body wall is covered with three layers. Okay. Ecto, meso, endo. Okay. First two coelomatic animal example earthworm, leech for the phylum example. Okay. Next one Phylum Arthropoda. So animals with joined legs example Arthropoda. Bilateral symmetric this also and triploplastic type. Coelomatic animal, body with fluid cavity. So body cavity is filled with the hemolymph means blood. So this is a open circulatory system. Open circulatory system body ஃபுல்லுமே blood இருக்கும், தனியாக வெசல்ஸ் மூலமாக போகாது. ஸோ எக்ஸாம்பிள் cockroach, millipede, prawn, crab, spider. Example for this phylum. Okay, next one phylum mollusca. So the soft bodied animal called mollusca phylum. So this is example for octopus. The marine and freshwater animal also land, marine, freshwater, land மூணுலையுமே இருக்கக்கூடிய habitats. Bilateral symmetric. The foods helps in locomotion. Body covered with the skin called mantle. So sexes are separated with the larva stages during development. Example garden snail and octopus for the example for this phylum. Okay, next one is phylum Echidodermata. So next one is phylum Echidodermata, spiny skinned animals and free living marine animal also. This also triploplastic. Triploplastic means the body cell wall is covered with 3 types layers, ecto, meso and endo. And true coelomeres, the body fluid is covered with body cavity. And adult பார்க்கும்போது radical symmetrical இருக்கும், larval பார்க்கும்போது bilateral symmetric. Example starfish. Next one phylum Hemichordata. So marine animal, marine organism, this also marine organism, bilateral symmetry, coelomate and do not have the notochord. Example worm, Balanoglossus. Example for this type. Okay, next one chordata, presence of notochord, presence of backbone. This is in chordata family. So it is in triploplastic and coelomatic type. Next, the chordata is divided into 2 types, prochordata and vertebrata. So prochordata, again nature of the notochord, they divided into prochordata divided into 2 subphylums. One is subphylum Urochordata and another one is cephalochordata and urochordata. Okay, what is urochordata means notochord is present only in the tail region. Okay, Assyrian, example Assyrian. Next, cephalochordata means are small fishes like marine chordatas. The notochord extend throughout the entire length of the body. Example Amphibiox. Okay, example for this type. Next one, vertebrate family. The vertebral means presence of vertebral column or backbone are present in the organism. So based on the backbone, the vertebrates are grouped into 6 classes. First one cyclomates or jawless vertebrates. They are the circular mouth also. Example hagfish, respiration through the gills. This type of organism have heart is 2-chambered, auricle and ventricle. Next class is amphibia. Amphibia means both. Amphi means both. Bios means life. Bios means life. So the dual adaptation, like in both land and water. Skin is moist, have the mucus glands and a respiration through the gills, lungs and skin, and eggs are laid in water. Example frog and toad. Next class is reptile. The reptilia type. Vertebrates, this also vertebrates live on land and respiration through gills, respiration through lungs, and then lay the eggs with their laying their eggs with through the outer shells also. And the lizard, snake, tortoise, turtle. Example for this reptilia type. Next one class is aves. Aves means birds. Bats வந்து homothermic warm blooded animal and body is covered with the feathers. So 4 limbs are modified into wings for flight and bones filled with the air, pneumatic bones. So அதனால வந்து என்ன ஆகும்னா வெயிட்லெஸ்ஸாக இருக்கும் அந்த போன்ஸு. So which reduces the body weight. Example ostrich, crow, eagle and pigeon. Example for this class. Next one is mammalia. So class of mammalia. So warm-blooded animal, skin is covered with hairs. Females have the mammary gland. Heart is 4-chambered. So egg-laying mammals, except platypus. So others are giving the birth to young ones. Example man, rat and rabbit. Okay, so the classification of phylum chordata, subphylum and subphylum Urochordata, cephalochordata and vertebrata. The vertebrata is again divided into vertebrates without jaws, vertebrate with jaws. Again the vertebrate without jaws is divided into uh, cyclomata, and the vertebrates with jaw is divided into 6 types. So okay, the 5 types classification only given in your book: cyclomates and amphibia, reptiles, aves and mammalia. Okay, that's all children. Thank you. In this lesson, we learned the classification of animal kingdom, the different types of groups of animals, binomial classifications, genus and species of each phylum. Okay children, thank you. We will see in the next video.